if the approach is correct, I think your result should be correct. So so basically you have this figure is composed of a cone and a half sphere, right?
Yeah.
And they call it the hemisphere, right? Okay, so they say the volume has a height, the cone has a height of h, which is here, and then the volume of the cone is equal, so basically the volume of the cone, so the V of the cone is actually equal to V of half of the sphere. So V of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just write it down. Then volume of half sphere, so sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, right? Then half of it, you just put a half in front, right? Then after that, you just equate these two first without putting the value into it. Okay? Then you simplify before you continue. I see a pi, so pi and they're gone. Like I cancel pi. Okay? And then I also see a r square, so I cancel, I got r left. So in this case, I also see this cancel is 2. So can you see a 1/3 here also? So 1/3 cancel. So can you see all gone? So you only have h here. So this one you have a 2 left, and then you still have a r left. So h equal to 2r. So 2r, 2 times r. What is r? R is 5. So it's 10. Simple?
Yes. I know what I'm missing out.
The
what?
Half. Which one? You mean for the r? Okay. Okay.
And also the pi.
Hey, by the way, you don't try to memorize hemisphere is what is half sphere. You just do it accordingly.
Yes.
The entire sphere volume is this. If they want half of it, you just times half. Right? Always put the half first, so you don't forget.
Yes.
Don't do divide by 2. Yes. Divide by 2 is a very bad habit, right? So therefore the h is 10 in this case. Okay, so the total surface area of the solid, very simple. I think you can do this, right? Okay, so never mind, I can do it for you. So what you have is you have the curved surface of the cone.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the base for the cone? Do you need to calculate the base of the cone?
No.
No need, because it's
easy.
Yep, yes. So you just have to find out the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi r, right?
4.
So it's pi times 5 times L. So the L, which is the slanted height, which is here,
Yes.
and you need to figure out.
Yes.
And h is 10.
So
The base is 5. The radius is 5. So you just use a square. So
10 square plus 5
so
square.
Yep. So it's 25 plus 100. So it's square root 125.
Yeah.
Okay.
Square root 100.
What's that?
11.
Oh, actually no need. You just square root 125.
Yeah.
And the negative one you reject. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the curved surface area of the cone.
Yes.
And by the way, this is the intermediate step, and you might not need to get this out yet. You can leave it like this, because you want to preserve the accuracy. Okay? If you get it into the 3 cm figure, your accuracy is gone. Okay? So you can put it in this manner. So next is your the sphere.
Yes.
But half of it, right?
Yes.
Okay? So half of the sphere is half sphere.
Half sphere
is half times 4 pi r square.
Yes.
So it's 2 pi r square.
Yes.
In this case,
Yeah.
And then do you need to consider so you have a sphere here, right? A half sphere here. Do you need to consider the top part? No need, because it's inside. Yes. So therefore it's 2 pi r square. In this case is 25, right?
Yes.
So therefore you have 50 pi.
Yes.
So you just add these two up. Yes. Then now you use your calculator. So it's 5 pi times 125 plus 50 pi. Now you use your calculator, and then you get the answer, and then 3 cm figure. What's the answer? 3 cm figure. By the way, square root 125, huh?
Yes.
Mm. Mm.
How many figures?
3 significant
3
figures.
SF. Then is the 332. 332.
Oh, 332
Yes.
cm square.
Yeah.
Because it's area here.
Oh, I see.
Okay? So that's how you get. Okay? So this is 3 SF.
Yes.
Okay, good. So good.